One of the advantages of working with tables is the ease in which you can sort and filter. Clicking on the handle by a column heading, you can quickly filter the table to show only certain entries. You can tell that the column is filtered because a small funnel will appear on the column heading. To clear the filter, click on the handle by the column heading and choose Clear Filter. If you have multiple filters applied and you'd like to clear all at once, you can click on the Home tab, choose Sort and Filter, and choose Clear. One thing to note is that you need to select one of the cells within your table in order to see the Clear option under Sort and Filter. You can also sort the entries to appear in a certain order, such as alphabetical or largest to smallest. To do this, you'll click on the handle by the column you'd like to sort. Then you can choose Sort Smallest to Largest or Sort Largest to Smallest. You can create multiple levels of sorting by using Custom Sort. To do this, make sure that you're clicked anywhere within the table. Then on the Home tab, go to Sort and Filter and choose Custom Sort. Here, for the different values you'd like to sort, you'll add a level. You can tell that a table is sorted because a small arrow will appear on the handle by the column heading. To clear any sorting within your table, make sure that you're clicked on one of the cells in the table. Then on the Home tab, go to Sort and Filter and choose Clear.